In most places, trains get the right of way. In Vietnam, they share it, with scooters, street food, and chaos. This isn't just a train ride. It's survival on rails. Vietnam is long, narrow, and chaotic. From the bustling capital of Hanoi to the southern sprawl of Ho Chi Minh City, runs a 1,726-kilometer lifeline called the Reunification Express. Built during colonial times, bombed during war, and patched together with parts from 5 different decades. This railway isn't just transportation, it's resilience on wheels. Nowhere is this chaos clearer than right here, Train Street, Hanoi, where homes, coffee shops, and families live inches from death every day. Twice a day, life pauses. People move their stools, tourists press against the walls, and a locomotive barrels through their living room. Local vendor. It's normal, we've lived like this forever. The train comes, we move, then it's back to tea. We're boarding a 36-hour journey down Vietnam's backbone. A route where mountains, monsoons, and time itself conspire to derail everything. There are no bullet trains here, just patch tracks, steel beasts that rattle like bones, and a ride so rough, sleep is optional. But amid the noise and motion, there's magic. The train connects not just places, but people. On these tracks, every seat holds a story. Elderly man, VO. I've taken this train since the war. Back then it was covered in sandbags. Now, it's memories. Vietnam's railway doesn't fear just time. It fears landslides, flooding, heat, livestock, and the occasional wild boar. Delays can stretch for hours, but no one complains. Out here, patience rides along with every ticket. And then, just when you forget the discomfort, Vietnam delivers this. This is a country of extremes, ancient temples, modern chaos, and raw natural beauty, all flashing by your window at 50 kilometers an hour. Behind the scenes, there's a team of heroes who keep this chaos moving. Mechanics with no manuals, conductors who've seen it all, there's no backup train, no alternate route, just them, and 1,700 kilometers of faith. Every trip is a surprise. Sometimes we fix problems with wire and tape, but the train must go. After 36 hours, countless delays, and infinite stories, we arrive. Not on time, but always on track. Vietnam's railways aren't the fastest, the safest, or the smoothest, but they are alive. Gritty, noisy, unforgettable. On these tracks, you don't just travel, you feel. If you enjoyed this journey into the tracks of chaos, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more of the world's toughest rides. Next stop, the train that freezes through Siberia.